as the whole component to the 1/2, right? So let's go ahead and rewrite it. Let's put 1t just because, and then we have 4 minus t to the 1/2. And then let's go ahead and derive. So we have g prime of t. Okay, let's see if we remember the rule for the product. What do I do with the first one? Keep or derive? When I derive the first one, it's just 1, right? Are we okay if I don't write the 1 down? Okay, so it's understood 1, and then we keep 4 minus t to the 1/2. What was the operation separating the product? Plus sign. And then I keep the t. Now, when I derive the second piece, do y'all see a chain rule? Okay, what comes to the front from the power? 1/2. And we keep the inside. What is 1 less of 1/2? Negative 1/2. And then when I derive the inside, we have a negative t. That's going to give us what? Negative 1. Is everyone good with that piece? Okay? So I'm going to simplify and then rewrite it with a positive power. So my first one, I want to write this with the square root, 4 minus t. And then on the next one, let's go ahead and bring the negative 1 is a coefficient, and all that is our coefficient. So let's go ahead and bring it to the front with negative t. I think I'm going to do two things at the same time. T over 2, because 2 is on the bottom. And do y'all see this right here is a negative power, meaning I'm going to bring it to the bottom? Yes. So square root of 4 minus t. Okay, there's a miserable way to solve for this. I don't want to, okay? So according to our flashcard, it says derive and then set that equal to what? 0. Set it equal to 0. So here's what I'm going to do. Because I want to cross multiply, let's move this whole component to the other side, which now becomes not negative, but what? Positive. So we have square root of 4 minus t is equal to positive t over 2. And then I have 4 minus t in the radical. Let me rewrite that t. There we go. Somewhat better. Okay, what I then want to do is the following. I want to move the 2 over to the top right here. Are you all okay with that? Yes. Okay, and then at the same time, if I take the same value and multiply it with the top and the bottom, what happens to my square root? Cancel. Very good. So let's see if we were following through. We have our 2. The radical, identical piece of the same value is going to basically pop out, is equal to my t. Can I now solve for my t there? Yeah. Yep. So let's apply our algebra skills and do our distribution. How many is my first? 8 minus who? 2t is equal to 1t. If you want to write 1, go for it. Okay? And then we're going to add 2 on both sides. So we have 8 is equal to, how many t when I add 2t? 3. 3t. And then so we then have divided by 3, so 8 over 3. So let's see our condition then. I want to worry about this piece right here. Your denominator. It can't be undefined, or whatever's undefined is also our critical point, right? So if I set that bottom equal to 0, that's going to cause me to also have the other number of x equals 4. And look at our condition. Which one am I going to not include because of my condition of t is less than 3? We are not going to include this, and that is our final answer. So it's okay to find two numbers, but go ahead and meet the condition, especially when they give you the inequality. Y'all good on that? Okay? 2. Emma.